Beats Fit Pro Wireless Earbuds. Their secure fit wingtip design helps the earbuds stay in place during rigorous activities. This makes them particularly well suited for workouts or running. The active noise cancellation feature performs well, especially in drowning out background noise in everyday environments like cafes or during commuting. The Beats Fit Pro benefit from Apple's H1 chip, which provides seamless integration with Apple devices. This chip allows for features such as automatic switching, hands-free, a Siri functionality, and spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. The spatial audio feature, which works well with Dolby Atmos content, adds an immersive experience when watching videos or listening to music. The earbuds come with IPX4 water resistance, making them resistant to sweat and light rain, which adds to their appeal for active users. The Beats Fit Pro offer up to 6 hours of playback with ANC and 7 hours without it. The physical buttons on the earbuds allow for easy control of playback, volume, and call management. Customizable controls, available through the Beats app or iOS settings, give users the ability to tweak functions to their liking. Call quality on the Beats Fit Pro is decent, but not standout. The built-in microphones do a good job of picking up voices in relatively quiet environments, but in noisier settings, background noise can sometimes interfere with clarity. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for $159. Link in the description.